nice and hot. All right? And then we're going to look for the evaporation. Okay, we want to see evaporation happening. Now, if you guys look carefully, what you're going to see is evaporation and condensation. So how are you going to know the difference? Now, this is really, really tough to see. Okay, so actually, you're going to see one other change of state. What state is this in?
Ice.
Ice, yeah. And what state is ice in? Solid. Thank you. Solid. So, what happens to the ice to make it into what we know as water? Pardon?
It melts.
It melts. Okay, so it's going to melt, and then it will be in the liquid state again, right? So let's see how hot we are here. You know what? We're not hot enough yet. I want to get this really sizzling.
I picked up the pancake batter.
You did? Good for you. Thank you. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to put this on in a moment, and what we're going to see is we're going to start to see it bubbling. Okay? You're going to see it melting because you're going to see the ice cube is disappearing, and you're going to start seeing a layer of water.
See a little bit of
You're seeing it now? Yeah, so we're going to do it. So then we're going to see some bubbling. So let's try this now. Okay, we're going to put 2 ice cubes on here to start.
They're moving.
All right. They're going to move around because this probably isn't flat.
They're playing hockey.
Okay? Make sure the people behind you can see. Why don't you just move back a little bit? Okay? All right, so here's the difference. Can you guys see the steam coming up?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so what state is the steam? What state is the water in the steam?
Whoa,
Just crouch down a little bit. Do you know?
Solid.
What is it?
I know what. It looks like.
What's that? It's a liquid. Very good. The steam is a liquid. Now, here's the tough part. Okay. Here's the tough part. So we can see the steam, right?
It's right there.
Now, when it's steam, okay, boys and girls, listening for a moment. Listening for a moment. Okay, so we are seeing 3 states here. You've got the ice cube, which is your solid, and it's melting. It's going into a liquid.
They're playing hockey.
Okay, I was going to say, hopefully it won't go all the way down there. It's going. Can you sit down, please, hon? And you're getting a little bit too close. I don't want anybody getting burnt. If you want, you can just sit right down on the ground there. Okay, so that everybody can see behind you. Okay, we see the liquid here. We see the liquid here, and then the bubbles means that it's getting so hot it's coming out. Now, what's hard to see is there's this little fine line just above the grill where it's actually, you can't see anything. And that's where it's water vapor. That's where the gas is. Okay? It's very, very, very hard.